the 10 News Communication Center. This is 10 News Live at 7 a.m.
Okay, well, most people have heard of liposuction as a way to get rid of those extra pounds, but now it has a rival. It's called mesotherapy. Doctors inject blends of medicines, vitamins, and even plant extracts into targeted body areas to induce weight loss and get rid of cellulite. Yes, you heard me. Dr. Laser Ataii of Carmel Valley's Laser Clinique joins us this morning. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having us, Nina.
Okay, now this almost sounds too good to be true, but you're seeing good results?
Absolutely. The reality is this has been around for a long period of time. We've just been able to refine it and use it better. So it's a series of injections, and after a series you see inches come off.
Really? Okay, so it's called mesotherapy, and they've been doing it in Europe, which we know that they always do things in Europe before we do. Yeah. So it, like you said, it has been around for a long time.
It has been. It's very large in Europe and South America. It's just catching on in the United States.
So it's injections, so you can't be afraid of needles.
You can't. The needle is so tiny you can barely even feel it.
Okay, I think we do have some before and after pictures if we could go ahead and show those. Sure. But basically it is injections right into targeted areas, and let's specifically talk about cellulite, because it melts it away?
This treatment that I do is called Meso-Slim. It's very effective for people who have, this particular one is a young girl that wanted to get rid of the abdominal fat, so we were able to inject the abdomen, and that's after a series of 5 treatments. She lost 13 pounds and about 3 inches off her abdomen. Okay, so this is around the abdomen, and then you were talking earlier to me about pattern baldness. How does that work? Well, what I'm injecting is basically the same thing that they get in a drug form. I'm specifically injecting right into the scalp with a very tiny gauge needle. Okay. Sounds painful, however it's not. And after a series of treatments, you notice that there is hair growth. And it's very effective for male pattern baldness. And what is the injection exactly? What is in there? Because we talked about vitamins and extracts, but what is it exactly? Absolutely. Depending on what we're treating, if it's fat that we're treating, we're going to inject fat emulsifying enzymes. If we're doing the meso hair, we're going to be injecting basically the products that stimulate hair growth. Okay. And for cellulite, it's a product that melts cellulite. Well, and of course, you still want to exercise, though. You know, this is only for people who have a proper diet and exercise regimen. If there's areas that they have a fat pocket that they need to lose, this is very effective for them. Because sometimes exercise just doesn't get those little nuggets. Not like I know. But, okay, Laser Clinique, you're in Carmel Valley. About how much are these treatments, very quickly? They range anywhere from $300 to $400, and it's very effective when bought in a series, obviously. The American Academy of Dermatology and the American Society of Plastic Surgery had said one of the products that we use in this treatment, specifically the cellulite treatment, you'll notice a 77% reduction in cellulite after 1 treatment. Wow, that's interesting. All right, Dr. Ataii, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for having us. And I will go ahead and send it back to Kirsten at the news desk.